get in quickly. Go to Carview. Let's see. Going down?
Yeah.
See? I do not want to go down there. That's not for me. This is a what year did this building built? 1998?
It's over 20 years, 21 years now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just being curious, right?
Yeah.
This is a nice elevator, but it's not bad. Have a good day.
You too.
That's it. I put elevators on YouTube. Come on in.
Alright, let's go.
I go one ride again. It's the second take for me. Go, right?
Yep, that's correct.
But you know what brand is this? Schindler.
You know what brand of elevator this is?
Schindler. I'm going back down.
Okay, John. I'll see you later, buddy.
Yeah, my friend.
Nice hanging out with you.
Yeah.
Bye, John.
Bye, guys.
Hi, John.
There's a telephone. Second take, Carview. I do not want to go down to the loading dock.